Peace to you and good evening. This is Emma Micah Williams speaking to you this evening from our family home, from the lounge of my husband's great-grandmother's homestead in Omarumutu, Aotearoa. As the sun has now lowered over the whenua, over the land, and the world quietens down, receive this truth into your spirit. And he shall reign over the house of Jacob forever, and of his kingdom there shall be no end. Luke chapter 1, verse 33. The kingdom of Yahuwah God is not something we build. It's something we receive, already established through the finished work of Yahushua HaMashiach, Jesus Christ. He doesn't ask us to strive for his reign. He invites us to rest in it. We don't fight for identity, we inherit it. We don't work for righteousness, we've been gifted it. This is the gospel of the kingdom of Yahuwah God. A covenant not of rules carved in stone, but of life written on and in hearts. So tonight, let go of earning, let go of fear, and remember, the King is not waiting to rule. He reigns now, and his kingdom is in you. Of his kingdom there shall be no end, and you are in it because you are it now. May your sleep tonight be of the divine. Kia tau, te rangamārie e kia koe.